Hello and welcome to the community. First and foremost, I want to say a sincere thank you for purchasing the ESLOC-4 Multienzyme Cleaning Solution, a powerful formulation that removes blood, proteins and bioburden from surgical instruments while protecting their surface integrity. We know that as a professional, you have many options available in the market today. The fact that you chose us for your practice means the world to us. We are committed to supporting your work with the highest quality tools. We are constantly amazed by the skill of the professionals who use our products. And we want to see the ESLOC-B in action in your hands. We encourage you to record a short video showing how you utilize the ESLOC-D in your daily practice. You can send that clip directly to us via Watsapp. You'll find the number right down in the video description. Here is the best part. We have a policy of rewarding our community. If your video is selected and posted on our social media channels, we will send you a package of free products as a token of our appreciation. So, hit record and show us your technique. Introducing ESLOC-4 High Potency Multi-Enzyme Cleaner, the smart and reliable solution for cleaning and disinfecting medical, surgical and dental instruments. Formulated with a powerful blend of lipase, amylase and protease enzymes, along with biosurfactants and corrosion inhibitors, ESLOC-4 breaks down blood, tissue, proteins and organic deposits with unmatched efficiency, while protecting instrument surfaces from rust and wear. Just dilute, soak and rinse. ESLOC-4 reaches deep into hinges, joints and lumens to restore instruments to spotless, residue-free condition. Safe, fast and compatible with all standard disinfection protocols, it helps extend instrument life and maintain OT workflow hygiene. For hospitals, clinics and dental practices that refuse to compromise on sterility and equipment safety, ESLOC-4 is the cleaning solution you can trust. Identify what can be cleaned. Use ESLOC-4 for endoscopes, laparoscopic instruments, forceps, scissors and handheld instruments, suction tubing and other surgical accessories. Items not suitable for ESLOC-4. Do not use ESLOC-4 on instruments made of aluminium, electrical components, mechanical moving components, delicate coated surfaces, heat sensitive components. Now let's quickly go through the correct procedure for using ESLOC-4 High Potency Multi-Enzyme Cleaner. Step 1. Dilution of ESLOC-4. If the instruments are heavily soiled with visible deposits, prepare a 20% diluted solution, that is 1 part ESLOC-4 to 4 parts water. If instruments are soiled without deposits, prepare a 1% diluted solution, 1 part ESLOC-4 to 100 parts water. For large surfaces like hospital furniture or wall panels, ESLOC-4 can also be sprayed directly. Step 2. Immerse the instruments. Place the instruments fully into the diluted ESLOC-4 solution. For best results, ensure instruments are unassembled and unhinged so the solution reaches deep into joints and grooves. If immersion is not possible, such as in the case of large surfaces, spray ESLOC-4 evenly using proper eye and respiratory protection. Step 3. Allow contact time. Let the solution act for 10 minutes. This duration enables the enzymes to break down proteins, blood and organic deposits effectively. Step 4. Rinse with water. After cleaning, rinse the instruments or surfaces thoroughly with water to remove any remaining enzyme residue. Once rinsed, the instruments are ready to proceed to the next stage of disinfection or sterilization. It is important to understand that ESLOC-4 is a multi-enzyme cleaning solution designed for cleaning and rust prevention. It does not remove already established rust from instruments. For instruments that are already rusted or stained, we will use KE9SSC4 surgical instrument rust remover first and then maintain them with ESLOC-4 to prevent recurrence. Check the instruments for rust spots, stains and discoloration, especially around hinges, joints, serrations and hard to clean areas. Place the affected instruments in a tray and apply or immerse in KE9SSC4 surgical instrument rust remover as per the recommended dilution and contact time. KE9SSC4 dissolves rust and restores metal surface clarity without damaging the instrument. Buying link for KE9SSC4 is provided in the description of this video. Before we conclude, we'd like to remind you of a few essential solutions that can make surgical and hospital infection control safer, faster, and more reliable. ESLOC-G Rapid Surgical Instrument Disinfectant and Sterilization Liquid Concentrate. Recommended for high-level disinfection and sterilization of heat-sensitive surgical instruments and medical equipment. For hand hygiene in the surgical workflow, our two antimicrobial scrubs provide dependable infection control. ESLOC-POV Povidone Iodine Surgical Scrub, offering broad spectrum antimicrobial protection with proven reliability. ESLOC-CHG Chlorhexidine Antiseptic Surgical Hand Wash, delivering long-lasting residual protection, especially useful in high-risk surgical environments. And finally, for thorough disinfection of the operation theatre, we offer ESLOC-D Operation Theatre Disinfectant, designed to achieve rapid and effective disinfection of OT surfaces, floors, and equipment while maintaining excellent material compatibility. Together, these products form a complete, effective infection control ecosystem, from instrument cleaning to surgical hand preparation to OT disinfection. All these products are readily available for online purchase on Amazon, making it convenient to source essential infection control consumables with assured quality and consistent delivery. Buying links are provided in the description of this video. Thank you for watching this video. We truly appreciate your time and interest in hospital safety and infection control. If you found this information helpful, please like the video and share it with your colleagues. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with more practical tips for hospital management, disinfection, and patient care. Your support motivates us to keep creating meaningful and informative content. Thank you once again. Stay safe, stay informed.